Today I am reviewing the HP Essential 17T Business Laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The HP Essential 17T Business Laptop is an exceptional choice for professionals, students, and anyone looking for a high-performance laptop with a large display and reliable specs. At the heart of this laptop is the 13th Gen Intel Core i7-1355U processor, featuring 10 cores and 12 threads, with a base frequency of 1.2 GHz and turbo boost up to 5.0 GHz. This means that whether you're juggling multiple applications, editing large documents, running complex spreadsheets, or even doing light creative work, this laptop handles everything with impressive ease. Coupled with Intel Iris Xe graphics, you get smooth visuals and fluid performance for most multimedia tasks. This processor even outperforms some mid-tier AMD Ryzen chips, making it an ideal choice for business users who demand speed and efficiency. This HP laptop comes with 16 GB of high-bandwidth DDR4 RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking without slowdowns, even when you have multiple browser tabs, productivity apps, and software running simultaneously. The 1TB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD provides lightning-fast boot times, quick file transfers, and plenty of storage for your documents, projects, and media. The combination of high-speed RAM and a large SSD makes this a laptop that feels snappy and responsive for daily business tasks and more. One of the highlights of the HP 17T is its 17.3-inch HD plus touchscreen display with a resolution of 1600 by 900 and 250 nits brightness. The touchscreen adds versatility, letting you interact directly with apps, scroll through spreadsheets, and annotate documents with ease. The Bright View panel ensures crisp and clear visuals, while the 60% NTSC color coverage delivers reasonably accurate colors, making it a solid choice for both work and entertainment. The large screen also reduces eye strain during extended sessions, making it perfect for students and professionals who spend long hours on their laptops. The HP Essential 17T is packed with connectivity options to support modern work setups. It includes USB Type-C, 2 USB Type-A ports, HDMI 1.4b, a headphone and microphone combo jack, and Wi-Fi 6 with Bluetooth 5 for fast and stable wireless connections. Additionally, the fingerprint reader adds a layer of security, allowing you to log in quickly and safely. This laptop is ready for video conferences, presentations, or connecting multiple devices for productivity, making it a versatile tool for business or school. Running Windows 11 Home, this laptop offers a modern, intuitive interface with productivity-enhancing features. The original laptop has been professionally upgraded with high-performance RAM and SSD, and the warranty ensures peace of mind for your investment. This makes the HP 17T an excellent choice for those who need reliable performance without compromise. In summary, the HP Essential 17T Business Laptop combines a large, interactive touchscreen, a high-performance 13th Gen Intel Core i7 processor, ample RAM and storage, and modern connectivity options into one sleek package. Whether you're managing work tasks, studying, or multitasking across applications, this laptop provides power, efficiency, and flexibility. It's a professional-grade laptop designed to handle demanding workloads, and the upgraded RAM and SSD ensure it remains fast and future-ready. For anyone looking for a powerful 17-inch laptop for business, school, or personal use, the HP 17T is an outstanding choice.